So I wanted to do a quick follow-up review on these posiquiet brake pads. They have these at Parts Authority, and I don't know where else you can get them. Parts Authority, I think that's their house brand. And I put the ceramic brake pads on this car, and my success with those has always been that they don't warp the rotors. And I've seen somebody that said that they had a Jetta, and I believe they said they warped the rotors on theirs, but I have not had any problem. And I've really been a bit hard on the brakes on this car, and I have not had any problem with them. They're nice. You see my wheels are pretty clean. They stay pretty clean. Of course, the dent wasn't there when I did this, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, no big deal. Get it all fixed up. But the wheels stay clean. They stop really good, and I've put them completely to the test. I've had these on here over a year now, and I have not been able to warp the rotors. So, but then again, make sure when I did mine, I put in brand new rotors and brand new pads. So I didn't machine the rotors, so I don't normally machine the rotors anymore, because by the time you get the wear in the rotor and you machine it, and the time it takes to go down to the place and have it machined and then get it back from them, it just really, to me, isn't worth it. So I'd rather just replace them. If you're doing a DIY, I would highly recommend just replacing the rotors, because then you're compromising your thickness of the rotor. It's a little bit thinner than it was, and they already have rotor warping issues. So anyway, if you're thinking about buying new pads, the posiquiet from Parts Authority was really high quality, and I would highly recommend them, and give them a shot. They came with a lot of hardware and stuff like that. Really worth the money. Talk to you next video.